I am Anushka Makkar, a student who looks forward to prepare for competitive exams like UPSC and GPSC. So I guess my story starts with the very first day when I was born. I suffered with jaundice and my body was totally blue on third day. My jaundice was so high that I had to change my blood. I had to change my blood. Oh my God, was I that sick? Ladies and gentlemen, imagine my situation. Now, let me tell you, normally a newborn baby has a weight of 2.5 to 4 kgs, but I was born with just 1 kg 800 grams. 1 kg 800 grams. So, what will be the size of my body? Only this much. This much, really. अभी इतना भी सरप्राइज मत हो ना. Even I have not seen a perfect picture. The doctor and my grandfather had bluntly said that she is dead and she has no more chance to live a life. Luckily, for God's sake, I am back in this beautiful world. And आज भी मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करती हूँ, thank you God for giving me a life. This is not the only thing I've gone through. Wait, because of so many medicines that I took, because of so many experiments done by the doctors, I, I fought with high frequency loss. I still suffer from hearing and difficulty in speaking some words. I remember when I used to go to my school, my friends, my classmates used to make so fun of me. They used to laugh at me because of the hearing aid I used to wear. They be like, Anushka, what is this? What are you wearing for? Why are you wearing this? What is this? They used to ask so many questions, and if I am not able to hear them properly, and if I don't answer them, they will be like, Anushka, are you able to hear me? They used to shout on me. They used to know, like behave in such a way. I used to feel so low, and I used to feel so lonely all the time. I hardly had any friends in the school, but they were the ones who raised me and they motivated me. Don't worry, Anushka. Life is full of surprises, and don't let the doubt, failure, fear, negative thoughts enter into your mind. I need you to tell them that there will be bad days, there will be times when you will feel like you have no earthly idea what your mind is talking about. But what you will never ever do is throw a pity party. What you will never ever do is tap out. What you will never ever do is concede. What you will do is knock yourself without being dependent on others. It's your life. Be independent, man. Everyone is not your boss. It's your choice. I promise you, you are not the first person to feel like your brain is about to explode. I promise you are not the first person to feel like you are underperforming. I promise you are not the first person to ask whether or not to achieve what it takes at a high level. See, my favorite acronym is HWPO. And just in case you don't know or just in case you forget, it means hard work pays off. So winners like us never lose focus. And we are horrified when someone tells us to take an easy route because we know there is easy route because if it were easy, everyone would do it. Coming back to my story, as I told, I want to prepare for competitive exams, and I guess you all know it's a very difficult exam to pass. So, this is the only reason I still feel confused, I still feel restless, and I feel like, what if after all of the hard work, after all of the studying, tears, sweat, you still fail? No, you never lose, you never fail, you only learn. See, life will knock the mess out of it when you least expect it. It's a part of the process. I realized I can do it. Nothing is impossible in this world. If you can do it, you can dream it. And that's when you have to say this: because of the setback, I'm wiser. Because of the setback, I'm smarter. Because of the setback, I'm hungrier than ever. See, whether you are in school or not, time will keep on ticking. But one thing is for certain, that whatever you are doing right now, whatever you are doing today, tomorrow, is leading to your future life. It can be a hard life or it can be a great life. Remember, the choice is yours. So I need you to implore, think, and remember that you have got to be patient. Shanti Rakho. But in this world, in this day, in this age, no one wants to be patient. Everyone wants instant gratification. Let's say, for example, someone has posted something on Instagram or whatever they have posted on Instagram, they be like, yes, I got 1K followers on Instagram. I got 100K views on my first video. Yes, let's party. Hello, guys. I am live. I am in live video and I thank you for giving me so much love. No, life would care less about social media. Success is a slow growth. You gotta push yourself and never give up. So I say all of this as a friendly reminder: you got this. You were born to be spectacular. So you need to jump over the obstacles. You need to push through the adversity, because that dormant volcano of success that's living inside of you, it's just waiting for you to grant permission to erupt. So live a life. Each and every moment of your life is a great life. Thank you.